Okay students, now let's do question number 3. Find the compound interest on 5,000 at the rate of, now 5,000 is principal, rate of 10% per annum and tenure is one and a half years. Now, and it is written as semi-annually. Now semi-annually I told you the rate will be half. So rate will be 10 by 2, that is 5%, and time will be multiplied. If you convert it into improper, it is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 2, my time will be doubled. So into 2, 3 times, not 3 years. Because after every 6 months, so in a year 2 times and more, half year more, so 3 times. So interest will be charged 3 times. Now we will write P1 plus R upon 100 times T. P is 5,000, rate is 5 upon 100 times 3. Now LCM 100 plus 5, it will become 105 upon 100 times 3. Students, I suggest better to cut here only 21, 20. So let's write this as 5,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 to 21 by 20. Yes, cut the zeros. Now you can see that denominator is 8. So you have to multiply also and then divide also. So answers can be in decimals. Like 1476.35. Interest can be given in 35 paise also. Yes, so don't worry about it. Now 21 and 21 will be 441 into 21 into 5, that is 105 upon 8. Yes, so let's multiply 441 into 105. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, carry 2, 5 fours are 20, 22. 144 50364. So 46305 upon 8. So amount will be rupees 8 5s are 40, 63. Now 63 doesn't come, 64 comes. So 8 times nahi hoga, 7 times. Let's divide. It will be 7, 70. So 70 doesn't come. 8 times 64, 65. 65 doesn't come. Again 8 times 64. 1 will be remainder, point 10. 10 doesn't come. 1. Then 20. 20 doesn't come. 2. And then 5. Let's check. 8 and 8 5s are 40, 63, 7, 56, 70, 8, 64, 65, again 8, 10, 1, 8, 20, 16. Yes, answer is right. This is amount. Now if the question says find the compound interest. Now we have amount, we have principal. So SCI equal to 5788.125 minus 5,000. So rupees 788.125 is the answer of it. Clear? Now let me rub this and do the next question. That is the fourth question of it. I will do the fourth question so that you can easily do the second question. Now fourth question says that find the difference. Just hold on, students. Yes. Fourth question says, find the difference between the compound interest and simple interest. That means you have to calculate SI and CI, both the things. Yes. Find the difference between CI and SI. Sum of rupees 64,000. Rate is 20%. Compounded annually. Tenure is 1.5 years. Yes. So principal is rupees 64,000. Rate is 20% and time is 1.5 year. Now first of all, just keep one thing in your mind, that you have to find out the difference between CI and SI. Principal, rate and time are same, and it is written compounded semi-annually. So compounded semi-annually means it will affected only on this part, not on this part. Yes. So let us calculate it. First, SI equal to 64,000 into 20 into 3 by 2 into 100. 128 and 00. So amount equal to, 4 3s are 12, 2 carry 1, 6 3s are 18, 192. 6400. Okay, you have to find out difference between CI and SI. So this will be the answer only. No need to calculate the amount. Yes. Now we calculated here. Now tenure semi-annually means rate will be half. Rate will be 10% which will be implemented, and time will be 3 by 2 into 2. So it is 3 times. So let's calculate amount. 64,000. 1 plus 10 upon 100 raised to the power 3. Because it is semi-annually, so rate will be half and time will be double. So 64,000, when we simplify, 100 plus 10, 110 upon 100 times 3, cut the 0. 64,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Cut 3 zeros. Now 11 cube is 1331 into 64. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 13, 3 carry 1, 4 1s are 4, 5. Now multiply by 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 6 3s are 18, 19, 9 carry 1, 6 1s are 6, 7. So it is 4, 8, 5, 8, 8, 5, this is amount, and we have to calculate CI. So 85184 minus 64,000, it is 21184. Now this is CI. Now CI minus SI. I don't have space here, so I am writing here. CI minus SI is 21184 minus 19,200. 4, 8, 11 minus 2 is 9, and 10 minus 1 is. So difference is of this rupees. You can see that it will affect a lot when you convert simple interest, and if you deposit the money in according to simple interest and compound interest. Yes, thank you.